सरकाराची जेटी पॉलिसी ही कॅझिनो खातीर आसून ही जेटी पॉलिसी सुरू जाली जाल्यार गोवा गांवांनी गॅम्बलिंग सुरू जातलें अशें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमावान मत उक्तायलें। जेटी पॉलिसीक लागून सरकाराचेच बंदर कप्तान म्हणटा तें आमच्या कार्यकक्षेन येना। जर पर्यटन खातें आनी बंदर कप्तान ह्या सरकाराच्याच दोन खात्याक ह्या पॉलिसी विशीं दुबाव आनी मतभेद आसत जाल्यार सरकारान ही पॉलिसी भायर मारची अशी मागणी काँग्रेसीन ह्या वेळार केल्या।
That this jetty policy first of all has to be scrapped because it doesn't come under the ambit of the tourism department. Who is the jetty operator? Who is the jetty owner? There is no clarity, and absolutely their policy, they have not given any clarity on what will be the load, who casino operator हाडपाक सोदताय, कोल येवपाक शकता. People fear that. So there has to be transparency. And if the captain of ports is saying that it comes in their jurisdiction, I fail to understand. Finally, the chief minister is the head of the state. He should intervene. And I hope that the tourism department doesn't go ahead with the jetty policy because they are not equipped. They are not equipped to do it. All we are saying is their own department says that doesn't come under their preview. Captain of ports is saying it is not your jurisdiction, it is his jurisdiction. First, they should clarify on that. Coal, ethanol, that is later. We say the people fear because with the way these three linear projects are being bombarded, everyone fears that this will be the and casino every gambling korpache lokani, barik lokani, ek village start जातले. So let them come clear on that.